This is the demo of the app that I made. It is a habit and task tracker. Here are some previously saved tasks that I made to showcase how the scroll view looks basically. These are all the cards of the tasks. When I click on the card, it opens an alert dialog like this. I can tick mark the task and it will cross like strike through the text, and I can also edit like this. So it will also edit the text also, and this is how it will delete the task. To add a task, simply I have to put in a new task like this, and it will save the task at the bottom like this. Again I can edit and delete the tasks. Basically this is what I made. This is the overview of the Firebase console of the app that is showcased in the video. This is how the overview of the project is like. Here I can see the project settings. This is integrations like this. Right now I haven't enabled the sign in of the users, but I have enabled Firestore and real-time database like asked in the task of the project. I mean, in the Firestore, this is how the panel is looking. Here I can see the habit of the, this is the user, habit of the user. This is how it is looking. This is text. I can also change the text here, and it will change in the user app also like this. I can delete basically or edit. It will update the text of the task. This is how it is. This is a real-time database. In the Firestore we can also like see the usage patterns also. This is how the console is looking. Basically this is it. This is what I made. Thanks.